Hey everyone, welcome to this video. Today we have another festive set and this one is going to be kind of green based. So my last one was red based, this one is going to be green. Starting off strong, we have Shamrock Glow from Madam Glam. This is from their St. Patrick's Day collection from 2024, I believe, but it's also perfect for Christmas. It has that full coverage leaf glitter effect and it is such a good colour for Christmas time. So if you have this in your collection, don't be afraid to pull it out. And then we're going to go in with Snow Glitter Jelly White from Born Pretty. So this is a gorgeous milky white with little bits of glitter and little shardy bits thrown in. And again, this is actually perfect in one coat because when you just do one coat, it still has that gorgeous milky white effect. And if you want to build it up, you can just add a second coat. Any discount codes I have for any brands, they're going to be left in the description box as per usual. And I do have discount codes for Born Pretty and for Madam Glam. Now I'm going to go in with D&D and this is pink glaze and this is perfect for a French base. So I'm going to do Frenchies on the pointer and on the pinky finger. So sorry, this is pink glaze. I think I said French glaze there. But yeah, no, pink glaze. And I'm going to do 2 coats of that. So this is more of a milky white pink. There's definitely a white through this pink if you get what I'm saying. So yeah, if you like that type of color, this one is a really good one. I find it very popular with my clients and it's really good for that full coverage looking French base. So once I have that done, then I am going to also pick up my Shamrock Glow again and I'm going to go in and I'm going to paint on some Frenchies. Now I'm going to do a kind of a thin French here because I want to fit my Grinch on this nail. So starting off kind of very low down and I am just playing it by ear and just kind of like seeing how far I can go. So I'm starting off thinner and then going a little bit thicker because it's always easier to add on than to take away. We all know this. So yeah, I'm just kind of doing a thinner French for these guys. And yeah, I'm just going to let you watch this French and I will be back in a few. So next up, I'm going to grab these stickers. So this is the only part of the design that's going to be stickers, just the Grinch parts. I think I got these from Shein or Temu, one or the other. But I just wiped off that sticky layer from the gel polish when it came out of the lamp with a little bit of alcohol. And I just place the sticker and rub in with my silicone tool. And I just keep rubbing and rubbing and rubbing, getting all those creases out. But these stickers went on really, really well, actually. So sometimes stickers can give you a little bit of trouble, but these ones were really, really good. So that's all I did for that. And then I'm also going to use this other Grinch sticker for the thumb, and I'm kind of using this as a little cuticle design. And same again, took off the sticky layer and I'm just going to go in and rub it on. Now you can encapsulate these if you want to. I didn't encapsulate this set because I did feel like they were rubbed in enough and they were nice and flat, so I did just top coat them. But if you need to, you can totally encapsulate with a little bit of clear builder or just maybe a base coat and a top coat. Okay, so then going on to the Christmas lights. This is one of my absolute favourite designs to do at Christmas. I am grabbing my Glitter Bells gel paint in black and the thinnest liner brush that I have, and I'm kind of doing nearly an outline first. This doesn't have to be perfect. This is nearly like when you go in with your pencil. So I'm just doing the outline and I'm just doing a squiggly line down the whole nail. And then once I have that done, I kind of just go in and shade in parts that I feel need to be corrected. Just because some are a little bit thicker than others. But it is just very much like doing the outline first, doing the shade part first, and then going back in for any type of correction. So next up we're going in with the lights part of this, and I'm just grabbing gel paints from Madame Glam, gel polishes from the Gel Bottle Link and the Manicure Company and Nail Reserve. So these are just kind of my most vibrant. I just went through my collection and I at first glance, I saw my most vibrant little things jumping out at me. And I am glad with these ones that I picked. I think they all went really well together. So just I'm going in with a little small amount of product at the tip of my brush, nearly like a little ball at the top of your brush. And I'm just kind of splodging it down and pulling it out at the very end. So nearly like you're doing a little leaf design. You know, when you're doing a leaf, you kind of just make it a little bit fatter at the top and then you bring it out to a point. Trying to do that with these, if that makes sense. Just that kind of effect. It doesn't have to be perfect whatsoever, but just if you get somewhere near that kind of effect, that is the best way to do these lights. But yeah, I'm so excited with the run up to Christmas. How are you all doing with all your prep? Do you have family over? Are you cooking for just yourselves, or do you have a big crowd over? Yeah, we're gonna have some family over, so I can't wait for that. It's gonna be loads of fun. I can't wait to start prepping all the food and all the goodies. I can just taste it now. But yeah, so let me know what you guys do. So going in then on the pinky, we are just going to draw this little candy cane, and this is the red from Nail Reserve, which is Goddess. Absolutely love it. So I just draw on that red line, that red little candy cane, and then cure it. And then I'm going to go in with my dotting tool and I'm going to add the dots to make the white swirls, and I'm just going to pull them out to make sure that they're touching the edges of the candy cane. But very, very simple, very, very easy. Yeah, I love this design as well. It's just so festive and cute. You could do little small candy canes on an accent nail and it's so, so adorable. So finally, I'm going to go in with my top coat and put on a nice generous amount of top coat over those stickers in particular. But thank you so much if you made it this far. I hope you enjoyed this. We're going to have a lot more Christmas designs coming up. So let me know if you enjoyed this one and give it a like. If you did, it really helps. And I will see you in the next one.